Safety Quik is a combination valve and quick disconnect. It represents the ultimate device in kitchen safety. Here's the Dormont difference. The Safety Quik prevents hose disconnection while the gas is flowing. It will not allow the valve to be opened until the gas supply is reconnected to the Safety Quik. It is the safest way to disconnect the blue hose from the gas supply. What's more, it includes a thermal shutoff that stops gas flow when temperatures reach 250 to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Maximize kitchen safety with Safety Quik and work worry-free.